my friends, welcome to Jialite Company. We are in Zhejiang Province, Wenzhou City. Today I will introduce our company to you. The epidemic limited our space, but it couldn't stop our business promotion. Now we see this is a delivery zoom. The machine's package is vapor film and the steel frame. Jialite Brand since from 1995. We are focused on producing automatic laminating machine, and we are focused on producing and developing automatic laminating machine and automatic thermal laminating machine. And UV oil coating machine. Jialite could depend on customer needs. We can customize the large size of the laminating machine and the oil coating machine. The largest size is 1850 by 2100 mm. This is a double coater with a double gyro channel UV oil coating machine. Every kind of the Jialite company producing machine, we can accept the customized size depend on user needs. And this is the smallest size of the automatic laminating machine. The size is wider is 800 mm. The length is 780 mm, and we also have a large stock. We can support the urgently order. This is our stock of the automatic feeder and automatic collector. We see this is a host machine of the thermal laminator. They are standby in stock, so we can support the urgently order. This is an automatic vertical, which can wet laminating and dry laminating double functions host laminator. The faster delivery time is 15 days.